Gabby's driving a car over there, and I want you all to think and imagine what it would be like, or perhaps what it was like if it happened to you when you got a new car. And you're sort of step into that new car, and you want to make sure not to get anything dirty. And you drive so carefully, you're not gonna go over the line, you're not gonna hit anything. And same thing with a new phone, right? You got the latest iPhone, and all of a sudden you're so careful how you place it onto your desk, so carefully, so gingerly. There shouldn't be any specks on it, there shouldn't be any dust on it, or a new outfit or a new suit, right? We're so careful. And it reminds me of a story I heard about someone who's known as the Tzaddik of Jerusalem, the righteous person of Jerusalem, Rabbi Binyamin Finkel, who's the Mashgiach of the Mir Yeshiva, one of the great yeshivas of higher learning of Torah studies. And he's like a spiritual advisor. And just to give you an idea of who he was one time working for an organization that was having a financial challenge. And there were many employees that were online to speak to the manager to essentially ask for some extra money, or to at least make sure they're getting their paychecks on time. And he's online also. When he gets to the front of the line, he says to the manager, I know the company is struggling financially, and I realize some people might not get paid. I was wondering if you could cut my salary so that other people don't have to suffer as much. That was the kind of person that he is. And someone once interviewed him to hear about his childhood and his upbringing. He reminisced about his own mother, who was also a tzaddikus, a very righteous woman. And he talked about how every year on Erev Pesach, right before Passover, after they had cleaned the house and they scrubbed the walls, and they were sitting at the dining room table, she gathered them around. They were looking at these clean, glistening white walls. And she said to her children, these walls that we're looking at right now, these clean, sparkling walls, have never heard anyone speak Lashon Hara. They've never heard anyone gossip, speak badly about another person. Perhaps we can be more careful now, at least in front of these walls, to watch what we speak and how we treat other people. And it got me thinking, perhaps we can use this strategy anytime we have something new in our possession. When we're holding that new phone never heard us speak gossip or to talk badly about someone else into the receiver. It never heard us use profane language. It never heard us speak back to our parents. It never heard us fight with someone else. And we go into that new car, the new car has never heard us put down other people or to be mean-spirited or judgmental. And same thing with that new outfit. And if we could try to take these opportunities that every time we have something new or even something freshly laundered and say, wow, I've got a chance for a new start, for a clean beginning. And maybe we can try to make the most of this opportunity to become better versions of ourselves and to help the world around us.